People often have a negative track record when it comes to self-evaluation. Studies show that humans are unable to make a realistic self-assessment, especially regarding their physical appearance and attractiveness. This is because we have a different perception of ourselves compared to the people around us. We scrutinize every detail about ourselves more attentively than we observe the actions or appearance of others. As a result, most people tend to underestimate their own worth and personal appeal. Questioning what others think of us can be distressing, but there are many clues we can learn to identify to discover this. Here are some indications that you may be much more attractive than you think. Sign 1. Smiles from people when they see you. It is much more common for people to smile at someone they find attractive than someone they do not. If you notice that you receive friendly smiles from most people you encounter on the street, it is likely that they find you attractive. This is because we subconsciously smile at things or people that are aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. Sign 2. Strangers' lingering glances. Anyone would feel insecure when they realize that strangers are looking at them in public, but if this happens to you frequently, it is possible that you are more attractive than you imagine. When someone we like or find attractive enters a room, we usually cannot look away. Their presence captures attention, indicating their attractiveness. If you notice that everyone is looking at you, it is almost certain that you are a beautiful person. Sign 3. People enjoy conversing with you. Do you always notice that people come up to you and initiate conversations no matter where you are or what you are doing? If so, it is likely because you are visually pleasing. It may seem unfair, but individuals considered more attractive are treated better than those with a normal appearance and receive more positive attention. Attractive people possess a certain allure that attracts others. This may not necessarily be romantic. It could be due to the symmetry of your face or how you present yourself. Simply put, we enjoy interacting with attractive individuals more than others. Sign 4. Raised eyebrows from people when they see you. Often when we encounter someone quite attractive, we take a second look. There can be various reasons for this, but the most common one is that we like what we see and want to continue looking. If someone gives you a second glance, it means they find you attractive and may be seeking to grab your attention. If this happens frequently, it is almost certain that you are a good-looking person. Sign 5. People make an effort to help you. An unfair advantage that naturally attractive people have is that most people, even strangers, are willing to help or alleviate their troubles. Have you noticed that others readily offer assistance when you have a problem, regardless of the situation? The reason for this may simply be that you are an attractive person, perhaps even in terms of personality, and people are more inclined to extend a helping hand. We subconsciously tend to be friendlier and more generous to those we find attractive. Sign 6. Rarely receiving compliments on your appearance. This may be surprising, but can you recall a time when you were completely confident in yourself and were certain that everyone would take notice of you, but received few compliments? After such an experience, it is natural to doubt yourself and think that something is wrong with you. However, the reason you rarely receive compliments is likely because people assume you are already aware of your attractiveness and therefore believe they do not need to remind you. Some may even think you are tired of excessive attention. But the truth is that everyone experiences moments of low self-esteem, including attractive individuals. This is probably why most people are surprised when you mention certain aspects of your appearance with which you are dissatisfied or would like to change. Any flaws you may find seem insignificant to them. They likely do not even notice the imperfections you perceive in the mirror. Sign 7. People behave differently around you. Have you noticed that people become more jittery or anxious when they are around you? Do you observe that they act differently around you compared to others and appear nervous or confused when you approach them? Individuals considered attractive often appear quite intimidating, and it is nearly impossible to avoid feeling flustered when you are near someone you like or find attractive. If you notice that others consistently act strangely around you, one of the reasons may be that they find you attractive and do not know what to say or how to interact with you. These are some of the signs that you may be more attractive than you think. Remember that beauty extends beyond physical appearance, and self-worth should not solely rely on it. Accept yourself as you are, feel comfortable in your own skin, and recognize how much others value you. When you overcome these self-imposed obstacles, you will likely discover that you are much more attractive than you imagine. Have you noticed people displaying any of these signs toward you? Is there anything else you would add? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and share it with your friends so that we can continue producing more content. For more videos like this, click on the subscribe button and remember to enable notifications. Also, check out our other videos as well. Thank you for watching.